What's the meaning of conjugal rights? Conjugal rights. Conjugal rights.
Conjugal rights. Conjugal rights. Conjugal rights refers to the legal right of a spouse to engage in sexual intercourse with their partner. This term is often used in reference to marriage, and implies that both partners have a duty to fulfill each other's sexual needs within the confines of the relationship. Refusal or neglect to provide conjugal rights can be grounds for divorce or legal separation. Overall, the concept of conjugal rights reflects the traditional expectations of spouses to provide each other with physical and emotional intimacy within the context of a committed relationship.